One of the questions was, how do I get my tailgate open from the inside? And yeah, we see one of the comments was, you have to lift it open in order to get it open. I don't know. You read the comment, you let me know. I'm locked in. What do I do? I'm too lazy to crawl to the front of the car. I got myself a special tool. Oh man, I just don't know what to do. I'm just trapped in here. I'll see you all on the other side later. As much as you know it all, that's how you open up your inside if you ever get trapped. Just put it back on. Put this back on. See you on many other videos to come. They take my camera. Have a great day, everybody.